Welcome back to English Boost Every Day, everyone. Today's episode is all about excelling in professional settings by mastering business English. And guess what? You will learn 5 things you need to do. That's right. You're about to discover 5 essential strategies to enhance your email writing, excel in meetings, deliver powerful presentations, and communicate clearly and confidently at work. I'm Michael, your host, and I'm excited to be joined by our fantastic guest, Sarah, an expert in professional communication and business language. Let's jump right in.
Hi, everyone. I'm thrilled to be here today. Business English can be a real game changer for your career. Whether you're writing professional emails, participating in meetings, or giving presentations, effective communication is key to career growth. Today, we'll share actionable tips, real world examples, and role playing exercises that will equip you with the skills to succeed in the workplace. Let's get started by discussing how to communicate clearly and professionally in any business context.
Our first essential strategy is mastering email and written communication. Emails are the backbone of professional communication. Sarah, why is it so important to write clear and concise emails? And what tips can you offer our listeners?
Emails are often your first impression in a professional setting, so clarity and conciseness are crucial. Begin with a clear subject line that summarizes the purpose of your message. Structure your email with a greeting, a concise body, and a professional closing. Use bullet points or numbered lists when discussing multiple items. This makes your email easier to read. Proofread your email for errors in grammar and spelling, and avoid using overly casual language or slang. A good tip is to read your email out loud before sending it. This can help you catch awkward phrases and ensure your tone is appropriate. By refining your email skills, you not only convey your message effectively, but also project a professional image.
Excellent advice. A well-structured email can make a significant difference in how your message is received. Now, let's move on to our second essential strategy, excelling in meetings and group discussions. Meetings are a vital part of the workplace, but they can be intimidating if you're not prepared. Sarah, what are some effective strategies to ensure you participate confidently in meetings?
Meetings are indeed a common challenge. The key is preparation. Before a meeting, review the agenda and jot down any points or questions you want to discuss. This helps you feel more confident and ensures that you contribute meaningfully. During the meeting, practice active listening. Make eye contact, nod, and take notes. When it's your turn to speak, summarize your points clearly and support them with data or examples if possible. If you're unsure, ask clarifying questions. This not only shows your engagement, but also helps avoid misunderstandings. Finally, follow up with a brief email summarizing your contributions or next steps. This reinforces your professionalism and ensures clear communication. Post-meeting.
That's fantastic. Preparation and active listening are key to making the most out of every meeting. Now, let's discuss our third essential strategy, developing confident presentation skills. Delivering presentations can be nerve-wracking, but it's also an opportunity to shine. Sarah, what tips do you have for improving presentation skills and speaking confidently in front of an audience?
Presentations are a wonderful opportunity to showcase your expertise. First, plan and organize your content clearly. Create a strong opening that grabs attention. Perhaps start with an interesting fact or a question that engages your audience. Use visual aids like slides or charts to support your points and keep the audience engaged. Practice your delivery multiple times, ideally in front of a friend or a mirror, to gain confidence and refine your timing. Remember to speak slowly and clearly and make eye contact with different sections of your audience. It's also important to prepare for questions by anticipating potential queries and having answers ready. With thorough preparation and practice, you'll find that your presentations become more compelling and your nerves diminish significantly.
Great tips, Sarah. Practice really does make perfect when it comes to public speaking. Now let's move on to our fourth essential strategy, refining formal writing and report skills. Many professional settings require the creation of detailed reports, proposals, or project updates. Sarah, how can learners enhance their formal writing skills to communicate their ideas clearly and persuasively?
Formal writing is a critical skill in the business world. The first step is to organize your ideas logically. Start with an outline that includes your introduction, key points, supporting evidence, and conclusion. Use clear, concise language and avoid unnecessary jargon. Transition words like furthermore, in addition, and therefore can help connect your ideas smoothly. It's also essential to tailor your tone to your audience. Ensure that your language is respectful and professional. After drafting your document, take the time to revise and edit it for clarity and coherence. Peer reviews can be invaluable. Ask a colleague or mentor to read your report and provide feedback. Continuous practice and revision will help you master the art of formal writing.
Absolutely. Clear and structured writing is vital for conveying complex ideas effectively. And finally, our fifth essential strategy is leveraging expert advice and continuous learning. The business world is ever-changing, and staying updated is crucial. Sarah, what are some ways our listeners can continue to improve their business communication skills over time?
Ongoing learning is key to long-term success. One effective approach is to participate in professional development courses or workshops that focus on business communication. Many online platforms offer specialized courses on topics such as email etiquette, presentation skills, and report writing. Additionally, reading business articles, books, and case studies can provide you with fresh insights and best practices. Don't hesitate to seek mentorship from experienced professionals in your field. They can offer real-world advice and share their own communication strategies. Finally, make it a habit to review your own communications regularly, whether through self-assessment or feedback from peers, to identify areas for improvement. This commitment to continuous learning will ensure that your professional English remains sharp and effective.
Let's quickly recap the 5 essential things you must do to master business English and elevate your career. 1. Master email and written communication. Write clear, concise, and well-structured emails and documents. 2. Excel in meetings and group discussions. Prepare, listen actively, and follow up to make meaningful contributions. 3. Develop confident presentation skills. Plan, practice, and engage your audience with compelling content and visuals. 4. Refine formal writing and report skills. Organize your ideas logically, tailor your tone, and revise thoroughly. 5. Leverage expert advice and continuous learning. Participate in courses, read widely, seek mentorship, and consistently review your progress.
Exactly, Michael. These strategies are designed to give you a comprehensive toolkit for professional communication. By incorporating them into your daily routine, you'll not only communicate more effectively, but also boost your confidence and open up new career opportunities. Business English is more than just a language skill. It's a critical component of your professional growth.
Before we wrap up today's episode, I want to encourage all our listeners to start integrating these tips into your work life immediately. Whether you're drafting an important email, preparing for a big presentation, or participating in a crucial meeting, applying these strategies will help you communicate with clarity and professionalism. Remember, every effort you make is a step toward greater career success.
Absolutely. Keep practicing, seek feedback, and don't be afraid to continuously improve. Your commitment to mastering business communication will pay off in the long run, not just in your current role, but throughout your entire career. Embrace these strategies and let them guide you to success.
Thank you so much for joining us today, Sarah, and thank you to all our listeners for tuning in. If you enjoyed this episode and found these tips helpful, please check out our previous videos on speaking, listening, vocabulary, and writing. We update our channel daily with fresh, engaging content, so be sure to visit every day.
Yes, please remember to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode, like this video if you found it useful, and share it with your friends. Your support helps our community grow and inspires us to continue delivering innovative language tips and real-world strategies.
That's right. So, as you leave today's session, keep these 5 essential strategies in mind for mastering business English. Write clearly, prepare for meetings, deliver confident presentations, refine your formal writing, and continuously seek expert guidance. With these tools, you're well on your way to achieving professional success and elevating your career.
Keep practicing, stay dedicated, and remember that every bit of improvement in your communication skills brings you closer to your career goals. Your journey to professional mastery is just beginning, and we're here to support you every step of the way.
Thank you again for joining us on Business English, Master Professional Communication and Career Success today. Don't forget to check out our previous episodes for more actionable language tips, subscribe for daily updates, and share this podcast with your friends and family. Together, we're building a vibrant community of confident, successful English speakers.
Goodbye, everyone. Stay motivated, keep communicating with clarity, and we'll see you in the next episode with more expert insights and practical strategies.
Until next time, this is Michael, with Sarah by my side, signing off. Have an amazing day, and keep elevating your career with effective business English.